Far from a mere afterthought or embellishment, shutters have the power to seize attention, to make the difference between an exterior that's almost there and one that's fully finished. They cast a powerful architectural spell, especially if they're Atlantic premium shutters. With their wide range of expressive colors, historically accurate designs, and highly workable options, Atlantic premium shutters have the ability to become one with the function, style, fabric, and color of any home style. From elegant and rustic to timeless and fresh, Atlantic premium shutters don't just deflect heat and sun, they reflect every kind of personality. Every shutter collection is built for years of beautiful design and low maintenance. And all of our collections are made with premium materials and are built to resist rotting, cracking, or splitting. Our architectural collection is crafted for longevity with premium fiberglass. It features architecturally correct open louver designs, including timelessly elegant louvered colonial, a versatile range of raised panel designs, and a clean, refreshing Bahama style. This collection can also be manufactured as storm-rated shutters and carries the peace of mind of a lifetime limited warranty. Our classic collection reflects the look and function of traditional shutter design in a number of ways, including panel, faux louver, and board and batten, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Both our architectural and classic collections are marine-grade finished in a selection of 31 colors and are available in custom colors. Plus, they're hand-assembled to your custom sizes to precisely fit your windows. Our Pro Series collection charms exteriors with a range of shutter options in half-inch increments, all marine-grade primed for any exterior paint and offering a 3-year warranty. In addition, all of our shutter collections are historically accurate and, with the exception of board and batten, can be installed fixed or fully functional. Obtain custom cutouts and a complete array of accessories to give your project the finish it deserves, whether conveying sunny warmth, traditional elegance, historical accuracy, or anything in between. Atlantic premium shutters have the styles and colors to express it all.